A 24-hour mechanical outlet timer. So you plug this into the outlet, and then whatever you want to control, you plug in here and you plug in here. You have a manual override, so you can, whatever's plugged in here, you can turn it on. But if you want to use the scheduling feature, you put it into the scheduling little clock there. And then whenever you want it on, you basically push down those hours. So that would be like off all those hours. And then whichever ones, I'm not sure if you could see that, you push these little pins down. See how like this one's up and these are all down. In this, the ones that are down for the hours, you can see the hours here, basically it'll be off, okay? So when it's up, it's on, and down, it's off. I could have that backwards. I keep getting confused with these, but you know, it'll be very clear. You set the current date, or the current time, and then it'll go over a 24-hour clock and it'll turn on and off automatically. You don't have to have it like on for 12 hours and off. You can basically turn it on for an hour if you wanted to and turn it off. I don't know why you want to do that, but basically you just would go through this and pick the ones that you want on and off. So these are like individual switches by the half hour that you can basically turn something on and off automatically. It's really small, real sleek. This is the box. BN Link is the company. You'd save energy with this. You can use for lights, Christmas lights, all kinds of things. I remember my grandparents would use this for a lamp upstairs in their bay window. So at nighttime it would turn on and then turn off automatically in like in the morning. So I always remember this thing. So pretty cool. Check it out.